Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: device compatibility, Google app installed, and permissions granted. Next, open the Google app and sign in with the account you will use. Once done, enable Hey Google Voice Match and quick phrases so the assistant recognizes you. This avoids false triggers. Make sure battery optimization is off for the Google app, because background listening needs persistent access. Otherwise, automation fails intermittently. Now proceed to build simple routines. You now create a routine. Open Assistant Routines and tap the plus sign, name it clearly. Choose a trigger, voice phrase, scheduled time, or smart home event, because reliable triggers determine success. Then add actions in order. Run assistant commands, control devices, send notifications, or call webhooks using a middle service. Once actions are listed, set execution order and delay if needed, because timing matters. Save and test with the trigger to confirm each step runs as expected. You finish by validating the automation end-to-end. Run full tests for every trigger and watch responses. If something fails, check permissions, battery settings, and network. Make incremental changes, disable one action, rerun, and observe. If voice triggers miss, retrain voice match. If smart devices don't respond, relink or update their integrations. Finally, schedule a periodic review, because firmware or account changes can break automations. This single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.